Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. The Benue government have finally responded to the statement made by Ima Powerful talking about invading or coming into Benue State to help protect their Igbo communities or their members who are residing in Benue State. During the press conference, Ima Powerful had opened up on some of their findings, which is that one of their member or three of their members have been abducted. And according to him, he said that Fulani headers attacked Ataluga community and they made away with about three of their major members, the likes of Mazi Boniface, who is the chief of the community and also IPOP coordinator, and also talked about the youth leader of Ndigwe community, and make mention of youth president Patrick Nweke of Ndige in Ado LGA. And he warned that if nothing is done about it, they were going to be coming in with ESN to help curb all those issue of abducting their members. But these guys have also sent out a statement, Benue government, warning them to desist. And I'm going to read the news and then we'll look at some of the issues that have been made mention, analyze them, and give you opportunity to comment in our comment section. According to the news, Nnamdi Kanu, leader of indigenous people of Biafra, and the Eastern Security Network have been warned to stay clear of Benue State. This followed the recent threat by Kanu to send ESN members to protect Igbo people living in Benue. Can identify Ado and Oju local government area as places that need the presence of ESN. In his reaction, Ado local government admonished Kanu to stop dragging Benue into his self-seeking campaign. The chairman, James Oche, told reporters on Saturday that the territorial integrity of the state will never be a subject of Biafra agitation. He cautioned proponents of Kanu's inordinate ideology in Benue to desist or face the rod of the law. On the IPOP leader comment about the abduction of three people, Oche clarified that they were arrested in connection with the murder of an elderly Fulani man, Muhammad Isa. It was an act that threatened the security of the area and made the deputy governor summon a meeting that was held yesterday in Makurdi with all concerned stakeholders. Kanu reportedly issued statement charging Benue governor to protect IPOP community or he would send Eastern Security Network operative to do so. He should stop insulting the sensibility of Benue people. The LG boss assured that Governor Samuel Otom was doing his best in terms of security. He advised the people to remain calm and support the governor's commitment to the full implementation of anti-open grazing law. And this is something that it's almost jamming the head of, IPOP and the Benue state government, though it wasn't actually Samuel Otom that made the reply. But I believe that the chairman of the local government, which was made mention by IPOP, is trying to also protect himself because the way things were said by IPOP spokesperson Ima Powerful, it was as if the guy is dormant, his usefulness is nothing to write home about, and there's no need of him being elected, or I don't know if he was elected or appointed, to take care of the environment. And that's why he's coming out strongly to see how he can, let the people understand that he's been doing enough to protect the lives and properties of those under his jurisdiction. You understand? Don't forget that Ima Powerful, when he was talking yesterday, made mention of so many of the villages that have been facing one or two attacks. Talked about Ndi Nwankwo village, Osidi village, Usebe village, Eka village, Ikari village, Ameka village, Edie village, and others, and did say that most of the villagers are facing very difficult time with the Fulani guys enjoying their movement. And according to him, he said that if nothing is done, they were going to come in and that they are preparing. Said that IPOB and ESN are prepared and will not allow any breeding space for the Fulani people and all of that. But I think at this point, these guys are trying to let IPOB realize that they have territorial rights over their land. Whatever that is happening in our state, we can handle it. We do not want anyone to come in and, prove that we are incapable. Yes, that's the word. They're trying to register the fact that they are capable and they can take care of their land no matter the level of pressure they are going through. So for that reason, we do not want IPOB or ESN to come in. Don't forget that one of the things that brought about concentration of the military in the southeast was the fact that ESN showed up themselves in different states, southeastern states, trying to do what they feel was right to do, which personally also, I know that it was right for them to do that. That was what brought in the concentration of military. So for me, I feel that the Ado local government area chairman is trying to prevent such occurrence in his own village. But then, if you're trying to prevent it, you've got to beef up your security network. You've got to build up your security architecture. Right now, the issue of Fulani headsmen being held down or prevented from carrying out nefarious activities in community can mostly be done by the vigilantes and the hunters. Those are the capable hands. Waiting for police to come in and save the situation and all of that does not just work. So the ideal thing is for them to wake up and ensure they form at least a vigilante, bringing in people who are experts, who are residents of the environment, who are experts. They know the nooks and crannies of their village. And from there, they can stop these people. Though he had not accepted that there was any case of kidnap in the area and all of that. But then, even with that, we know that already one of the most infested places when it comes to Fulani invasion is actually Benue State. So the ideal thing to do now is not to negotiate with them, because with what I saw yesterday in Oyo State, negotiating with Fulani seems not to work. You understand? Because for them, they believe that open grazing has been something that nobody can take away from them. It was in eternity, it was in the days of Moses, and it must still continue till now. That's their belief system. So you must do everything to ensure that you fight it with people who are capable and who can stop them by all means. But I want to use the opportunity to say, IPOB, please, Benue, please, we do not want any form of clashes. Let's love ourselves and ensure that we protect our people. That's just it. That's what I like to leave it. What do you have to say about the statement made by the Ado local government?